Hey everyone, it is Catherine, and I am going to do a super quick flip through. I have my Or Estelle Cecily, and hopefully the beeping doesn't continue. I took off the zipper pull on mine, and I just got this at, where is it? Universal. And I got this one in, I think, the Universal in California. I love it, and my husband is a Slytherin, so we have one of those as well. And I have my extra washi. I usually keep it up here, but just to block off the credit cards and stuff, I moved it down. All right, now I know that the thicker jelly material covers are more popular, but I prefer this one. And it came with the notches here, but I cut notches on the other side so that I am greeted with this pattern versus this, where you'd see the polka dots and then the two pockets on the inside. And this is just where I keep a bit of extra washi. This is where I keep the extra stickers. So any week that has already passed, stickers from those kits, as well as stickers from weeks that are upcoming, like this is going to be next week, they all go in here so that if I need to do a bit of quick planning, I have that, and I can just kind of like have it all be on theme, and it's great. Sometimes I have like a removable sticker sheet in here with like ones that I've printed. And then I have my list insert. I love this. I have my Ollie dot. I don't buy from this company anymore, but I do love the product. So this is a jelly cover from Catspresso Co. And I have a bit of a love-hate relationship with this one. The paper is from Happy Scrappy, and I don't know. I really, really like the pink strawberry milk color of my cover, but I just wanted to do something a bit different. Okay, now this is the issue I have with this cover. Oh no, please don't cry, baby. We are in the pickup lane, so there's no moving to be had. Okay, I wish this was a straight line. Well, okay, it could still be scalloped, but like it just came down here. And this is why, because like it keeps, stuff gets caught on this. It's so annoying. And sometimes like this part isn't in here, and it's like on top of this top one, and it's like at some point that's gonna rip. So this is a brilliant cover. I love it. I can't say enough good things about the company, but I wish that they had designed this a little differently. So this is just all my seals, and yeah, I've been collecting them all year, and I love using them. Then I have more here because I'm only really keeping 2020. Excuse me. And yeah, this was like a freebie. I put freebies here so that I can kind of just enjoy them because it has a tendency to open to these pages. And then I have my tracking, and I'm not going to share that because I track a lot. Okay, those are months that they're the lost months. Okay, and we pick up in September, and I love this. This kit is from Virgo and Paper. They're a new to me shop. I am totally in love with them. Everything really, like, the sizing is perfect, which for me is like a big deal. The sizing is perfect, and just they have a lot of really cute things. And then I loved this one. I am so sorry for the beeping, you guys. Unfortunately, there's like not really much I can do about it. I can try to turn it down. Okay. And the hand lettered stickers also from her. I am going to buy another one in several months because, well, it comes enough for the year. So yes, I love this. And then this is part of my commitment to using my stash. I was so afraid that I would be tempted to buy Christmas kits that I got a Christmas kit that I already had from last year that I hadn't used, and sat down and started using it. So this is Planners Anonymous, and it was last year's ugly sweater theme kit, and I love it, and it really was easy to make it work in here. Okay, let's fast forward. We kind of left off around here, somewhere around here. Yeah, I was getting ready for my trip. And I have to say, just using this week after week, month after month, I am I am already planning to purchase the April start for next year too. I love it. I really do. And this is Sadie stickers. This is Happy Daya. The other one was Happy Daya too. Sadie stickers. Happy Daya. Yeah, I'm going to use this again next year. This is a very tiny kit, and I really had to supplement to make this one work. It is the Coffee Monster Co., and I love, love, love the Coffee Monster Co. If you guys have followed me for a long time, you know that. But I won't buy any more of the kits from her, the weeks kits, unless she really changed the format to like full weeks kits. Because they're really just like 3 tiny little sheets. And even that, I think it's technically 2 when I bought the third one as an a la carte. So, yeah. Okay, this is a Mummy Lay box. And it's just a generic planner kit. And then I have some printables and Coffee Monster and Happy Daya all sprinkled throughout. This right here, and you're going to see them a lot. Like, this is Plan for Happy. And I love this company. If you're looking for good printables, I really like her. And then I kind of mixed some Planners Anonymous in with the Sadie stickers, and this one is the Pink Room Co. I made this kit, and it's Paper Sun Design. That's the artist. This is the Fairy Tale Club, and I bought the digital version of this kit. All right, now I created the little shape and laid it over and made it like semi-opaque white so that I could turn that into a note sticker. I don't know if that's technically allowed, but I did it. Sorry. And then that's Happy Scrappy, more Happy Scrappy. And this is kind of what I do with my box stickers. If there wasn't a lot going on, I just get really creative with it. And then this was actually a box sticker, and I cut that out to make it a seal. And this is Virgo in Paper. I love their kits. Seriously, like, okay, so this is from a different sticker sheet that's made to work with the artwork in this kit. And they're like translucent stickers, but these kits are the perfect size. Like, I don't know why I didn't use the stickers more. Like, that's something that I would normally do, but I only had like 3 stickers left over from this kit, unless there's checklists, in which case all of the checklists are left over. Buddy, don't be sad because we can't go anywhere. More Plan for Happy. And then this is a different, I'll link that if I can remember, the little weather icons. You can buy the clip art. This was the Lost Week, and this is Frank Carcio. I might have to go because it's mean to subject other people to this, but we are up to the present date, and yes, this is how it's going this week. I have a tendency to kind of plan as I go. And then what I'm doing to resist temptation to buy more kits is lay down what I have. Of course, now I'm like out of kits, but that's my sister's wedding week. Yeah, Frank Hearts You. Oh my gosh, this one is gorgeous. And then this was, okay, so this is my birthday week, and this is why I bought this kit. This is why I bought from them at all. My week is the week of, my birthday is the week of Halloween, and I loved that this had like the little bats and it's spooky, and the rest of the kit, I haven't laid down any of the deco or anything, but it's like florally, but it still has like little spooky elements, and there are pumpkins, but there are pink ones, and just, it was very girly Halloween, which made it perfect for a birthday Halloween spread. I love it because I was not willing to sacrifice either. And normally that's not an issue for me because my birthday is November and Halloween is October. So sometimes I'd just be starting a whole new insert. But when you're in a pre-printed planner, you have to work within those constraints, and it's tricky. And then fast forward. Okay, this is the week of Christmas, and it's so weird because, like, I think it's made to work in an Erin Condren. Maybe it's a B6. I don't know. But the Planners Anonymous kit, this was exact. I cut the sticker in half, and it just so happened to be perfect. I love that. So this was like a skinny washi strip. This was the big one, and I did have to trim the bottom because it was a little too wide, but I'm like, that's perfect. So I'll use those deco, I'll use those practical stickers, and I'm going to try to use as many as I can. So yes, I'll probably still cave and buy some stickers, but yeah. It won't be as bad because I really do want to use up what I have. And then I've been using the Uniball Signo, which I love. They work really well on here. They need like a couple seconds to dry, but I love them. And of course they work really well on my sticker paper that I prefer to use. And then this one is, I think it's Ohto, OHTO, I think is the brand. So that is the ink that I have in here, and it was recommended by Jet Pens. It's a fast drying ink. You can buy their pens or you can buy their refills from Jet Pens. They're a little pricey, but they were recommended for the weeks as a gel pen that would dry really fast on here. And I have to say, it does dry pretty quickly, but there is still dry time, and I'm going to show you because this has been pretty consistent with that. Like this week, I know what happened. Yeah, so it still smudges. You have to be careful for like more than a nanosecond, which I give it like no time. But yes, and the pen is from Rifle Paper Company, and I love their aesthetic. And like, if you guys have followed me for a long time, you know I like Mummy Lay. I like florals and stuff like that. So Rifle is kind of right up my alley, and I love them. So I've always loved them. And yes, they made the pen, and I just took out the refill, and I put it in the Ohto pen, and then I just keep that one in the kitchen drawer to use it up, and when it's done, I'll, you know, everything goes in the recycle. And yes, this is probably my favorite pen. I always have one of these here, and then that's it. I love the back pocket. It is big enough to fit my phone. I have the iPhone 11. Yes, I hate the camera, although it is what I'm using to film right now, but I'm like scratching so badly. And I did get this one monogrammed. This is the Seattle Dusk color. I got the Cherry Blossom monogrammed as well. And in my previous video featuring this planner, I talked about how the strap was not long enough. So I had talked to Tiki, and she was going to swap out I didn't realize, like, I was just in such a rush to order on release day. I had gotten the regular strap when I really should have gotten the longer one. And she said she'd switch it, and then something happened, and then in all of the months that followed, it didn't happen, and I'm not even going to worry about it. Because it was my mistake and they didn't have to do anything. I might eventually like get another one, but yes, the long is actually long enough for someone my height. I'm 5'10". I have a shorter torso, but overall the look is weird if I just have it hanging off my shoulder with the shorter one. So I love the longer strap, and I have it on the longest setting. I am rather tall, so I highly recommend this. And I, as like a mom that's always going places, I love that I can just have the diapers and, you know, school papers and the breastfeeding snacks and the clothes and all that in here, and I can leave this in the car if it's something quick, or I can leave it with my husband and he doesn't do that, oh, I couldn't change a diaper, you know. So yes, gotta go. Bye.